Hello my friends, welcome to the 289th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some old-fashioned southern butter rolls just like your grandmother used to make. And my friends, these rolls are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, full of butter flavor, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And we're going to put a sweet milk filling on top. And if you're a fan of butter like I am, y'all will enjoy these rolls. And you'll be in butter heaven. These would be perfect to serve for breakfast, brunch, or any time of the week. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. So roll up your sleeves, grab your flour, your butter, and your butter flavored shortening sugar, because we're about to bake some butter roll magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. Now I did a recipe on how to make homemade self-rising flour. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. And we're going to add in 1 cup of cold butter flavored shortening that I cut into cubes. And using my pastry cutter, or you can use a fork, just going to cut the shortening in until it reaches coarse cornmeal. Alright my friends, this is what the dough looked like. Nice coarse crumbs. Alright, that looks great. Next we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of cold water. And using my hands, we're just going to roll it until it reaches a soft dough. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with this and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing my dough and I put it on the flour surface. And using my rolling pin, we're just going to roll it to a large triangle. Alright my friends, I'm through rolling out the dough. So over here I have 3/4 cup of unsalted butter softened. And I'm just going to spread the butter all over the dough. Like so. OMG, this is going to be so good. And with butter in it too, oh yeah, it's going to be even better. Butter makes everything taste great. Has butter flavor shortening. And this one has butter inside. It's going to be butterylicious. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish spreading the butter on and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I spread all the butter onto the dough. And over here in this bowl, I have a 1/4 cup of white sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And we're just going to sprinkle the sugar mixture all over the dough. Smells awesome. Alright my friends, now we're going to roll the dough just like you would do a cinnamon roll. Alright my friends, I'm through rolling out the dough. So using my bread knife, get this out the way. Just going to cut it just like that. Look like a cinnamon roll. And we're going to put it in the 9x13" greased baking dish. And this will give us about 12 rolls. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting up the rolls and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through cutting up my butter rolls and I'll put them in the pan. So now we're going to set these aside while we work on the milk bath. Alright my friends, in my pot I got the fire over medium-high heat. We're going to add in 2 cups of my favorite product in the world, evaporated milk, and 2/3 of a cup of white sugar. Give that a quick stir. And all we do is let our milk mixture come to a bubble. All right, my friends, our milk and sugar has brought to a bubble, so I turn the heat off. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of butter extract. So now we're going to pour our sweet milk right on top of those rolls. All right, my friends, I got the sweet milk right on top of the rolls. Now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. It's going to be incredible. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Southern butter rolls. Look how nice and golden brown they look. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. And you see how the rolls absorb the sweet milk? All right, those look great. So now we're gonna let our rolls cool for a few minutes, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look how soft these are. Oh, it just melts in your mouth. Buttery goodness. I love the cinnamon nutmeg in it. These definitely taste like how my grandmother used to make. They deserve another bite. I'm definitely in butter heaven. Please give this recipe a try. Y'all will love it, love it, love it. Butter roll-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.